and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Veronica. I'm a wife and mama from Las Vegas, and I make videos on all things DIYs, decor, and mama motivation. If that's your thing, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button down below. You'll be notified every time I post a video, and you'll be a part of my internet community. My amazing farmhouse renovated living room. I am so happy with this space, and I am so excited to decorate it, and that is exactly what we are doing today. We are going to be decorating these shelves that are behind me, as well as my mantle, and I even have a couple things for the window seat. I am so excited to get this done, you guys, so let's get started.
To the end, I hope I'll be happy without you, but right now I don't know what to do. It's hard to get over, you chose someone else.
Alright, you guys, it is finally time to show you the big reveal. Our new living room. My husband and I, mostly my husband, have been working so hard, and I am so happy with the result. Let me show you around. So as you can see, the baby's toys are everywhere, and that's probably not going to change anytime soon because, you know, babies. But here is the built-in cabinets that we had before. He went ahead and put a topper on it and finished it up with a piece of really nice finishing baseboard at the bottom to make it look completely built in. He added shiplap on this wall, and he made 3 custom floating shelves. My goodness, why are you not focusing? To the right here, we have our TV, which is now mounted on a fireplace that has faux brick. That is the only piece that I was able to contribute to this, but we have an electric fireplace. We have never had a fireplace in this house, so this is a really nice treat. It changes colors, it's so cool. And a faux beam mantle that my husband made. Isn't it gorgeous, you guys? Oh, it's so pretty. He even went as far as to distress it. It's just so pretty. And we have our TV hung above there. And on the right hand side we have the window, which has now been framed out. It makes such a difference. And we also have some shiplap over here, and it's finished off with this beautiful window seat bench. The lighting is awful right now because it's just harsh lighting. Each of these benches does open for storage. The baby's tumbling, that is in there. But such a great piece, you guys. So much storage has been added. We have a lot of decorating to do. So I am going out to the garage and grabbing some of my farmhouse decor from my bins that I used when I organized this space. I will have that video linked down below for you, as well as up in the corner if you're interested. I love having these clear bins to be able to see exactly what I have. I'm just pulling pieces because I want to make sure I have everything I need in one place to make decorating as easy as possible.
Being pretty all the time doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no.
So before we get started with the actual decorating, I want to show you everything I pulled for this decorate project. I have so much stuff to share with you guys because these shelves are huge. My husband did such a great job building those, and our mantle over here. I just can't wait to actually decorate them. So I am gonna go ahead and turn the camera around and show you everything that I pulled so that you know exactly what we're using today. So here is a look at everything that I pulled out for this project. Over here we have a Crossley record player. I just love this one because it looks antique, but it's actually not. It is one of the newer ones. My husband is going to still drill a hole in the top of the thing so I can actually plug it in without using the cord. That'll be awesome. Back here I have a metal basket as well as a tassel and some pillow covers. We're gonna get to that at the end. I did go ahead and select a bunch of picture frames. Some of them are still empty because I want to do some updated photos, so I need to get those ordered from Costco. I have some candlesticks as well as some candles, some greenery, little pots, a cloche. Up here I have some little bottle bud vases in a little wooden holder, I guess you would call that. Some more candle holders, some of my farmhousey looking books that we're going to be using, and a ton of other books. I have some vintage books, some books with black covers, some books that will look white in the front. I also have my stamped books. Back here I have a tobacco tray as well as my little silhouette house hang thing. I don't even know what to call that, but I love it. And I have some more eucalyptus over here. So we have a lot of stuff pulled, but a lot of space to decorate. So I'm excited. Let's get to it. So when I am decorating, I like to use a mixture of textures. So I'm using a lot of wood pieces as well as some greenery and even some glass items just to kind of mix up that texture, and then I'm softening it up by using a lot of books. Now I use my books with the actual pages showing, that way I don't have to worry about what the spine looks like, and you can actually see like the aging of the pages as well. So I love this little planter, and I love that these little lavender picks look so cute in it. This basket here I actually painted. It's from the Dollar Tree, and then I added some jute rope to give it some more texture, and I just love how that looks with these cute little vine balls inside. Another thing that I wanted to use on these shelves were some actual photos. I love taking pictures and I love printing pictures, but for some reason I never actually put them out for display. So I grabbed a bunch of different photo frames that I had around my home, and I played around with how I wanted them positioned to make sure it was the best setup. And then I did end up getting some pictures printed to put these in, which you will see at the end. Moving on to the mantle, and I am using these adorable glass candle holders, and I really love these. I'm using some LED candles as well. They're turned on with just a remote, so I don't ever have to worry about them burning too long or anything like that. They're on a timer. But I do want to share with you guys these baskets. These baskets were so much fun, and I actually shared how I made them over on my Instagram page. So if you're not already, make sure you're following me over there. My handle is @Veronica. To complete the look on the mantle, I just used some little sprigs of greenery. I think I got this at Walmart. I cut pieces off and used little small pieces in order to finish off the style that I was going for. I'm sure you can tell this window seat is a big plus to our family. It's actually Rayanne and the cat's new favorite place. I did try to decorate using this basket with some pillows and blankets, but the baby decided that carrying around the basket was her new favorite thing. So since this video, I have taken the basket down, but I left the pillow and blankets up here to keep it nice and cozy. I do have plans to create a window seat cover or like a pad for it, but that is down the line, so for now this will have to work. And here is a look at what it looked like before. The wall was completely flat and there was no dimension whatsoever. We had a hanging mantle just to try to give it some type of depth. but it really needed this overhaul, and I have to tell you guys that I am so happy with the results of this makeover. My husband seriously blew this out of the park. He impresses me every time, and I just think it is absolutely stunning. Tell me down below what your favorite part is, and if you have any questions about decor, where I got it, definitely let me know. I will get you those links. But I just want to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart for being here today. If it wasn't for you, I would not be able to create these videos. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed seeing our new living room makeover. Have a great one, guys. Bye.